Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to use split screen multitasking on Black Shark tablet. To use split screen multitasking on Black Shark gaming tablet, you should open one of the apps that you would like to use first. I'll do Chrome. And then when I can do it in different methods. First one is sliding up like that. You can see. What I did is I didn't slide up further. I just did a little slide up, and then you can take another app from these or click here to find any app. And when you select an app, let's say Maps, I can drag it to one of the sides and then release it so that they are now open like that. I can resize it just like that, for example. And now when I go to recents, you can see they are shown like that. And what I can do is I can save the app pair. Then it will appear on my home screen, so whenever I open it, it will always open both apps at once. So if you have your favorite presets, you can do it. Now the other option is you can open an app. Let's maybe do calendar. And then when I go to recents, I can click on the name of the app and select split screen. Then select another app from recently opened ones, or click here and select any app whatsoever that I have on my tablet. And as you can see, I have them both open. I can also resize them. I could save them or not. If I want, I can close one of them by simply sliding like that. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.